Thank you so much for purchasing Ricochet from Rocket Lasso, our second ever plugin. Presumably you have downloaded Ricochet and you have unzipped it. Inside that folder, you are currently watching this install video. Now, we've separated up the folders, so we've got the two different Mac versions and the PC version. On the PC version, I would like to right-click and say Copy. An important note that Ricochet should be working in R20 and above. So with that copied, moving into your version of Cinema, if you go to Edit, Preferences, that's going to pop open this window, travel to Plugins, and there are two different ways of installing this. One would be opening up your Preferences folder. So if I click on that, it's going to pop open a window, and we are now inside of this active version of Cinema. Going into the Plugin folder, I could right-click, paste, and there it is. It's ready to go. If I restart Cinema, it should pop in. I'm going to show you the alternative way, though. So let's delete that one. And now, traveling up, I've got just a folder I made on my desktop. So plugin example folder, traveling inside there, you see it's just my PC, desktop, that folder. I'm going to paste it in there. And now, with that pasted, inside of the preference folder, I can say add folder and just navigate to wherever that one currently lives. So desktop here is plugin example folder. Hit OK, and now it's added that to the list, and that's going to find every plugin inside of that folder. So closing that, you have to restart Cinema. Once that opens, close the quick start dialog, and now under extensions, you should see a Rocket Ricochet. So clicking on Ricochet, that will create one. You're going to see a single line get generated, creating a cube or any geometry. I can drop that as a child, and you should see the cube disappear, and it's now bouncing around inside. Selecting Ricochet, we can crank up the length, we can change the random, lots of different settings to play around with. So that should cover the installation. Be sure to check out the other training videos so you can see all the different ways to use Ricochet. There are some really cool and even advanced techniques if you want to go that deep with it. And you can always get to that by clicking on this question mark button. And eventually I'm going to have this examples set up with different scene files and breakdowns of very specific effects. So that should cover this one. Thank you so much again for picking up Ricochet, and I'll see you in a future video.